Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect smart plugs to Alexa when Wi-Fi changes step by step clearly. To connect your smart plugs to Alexa after changing your Wi-Fi, start by ensuring you have the Alexa app open on your smartphone. Make sure your new Wi-Fi network is set up and fully operational. Disconnect your smart plug from any power source for about 10 seconds. Plug your smart plug back in and wait for it to enter pairing mode. If your smart plug does not automatically enter pairing mode, press and hold the reset button as per the manufacturer's instructions. Once in pairing mode, open the Alexa app on your phone. Tap on the device's icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select the plus icon in the upper right corner to add a new device. Choose Add Device from the menu options. Select the type of device you want to add, which in this case is a smart plug. Select the specific brand of your smart plug. Alexa may prompt you to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Choose your new Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the password if necessary. Once connected, Alexa will indicate that the smart plug has been found. You can now assign the smart plug a room or a name for easier voice control. Test the connection by using a voice command, such as Alexa, turn on plug name. If it works, you're all set to use your smart plug with your new Wi-Fi. If you encounter any issues, consult the user manual or the manufacturer's support for troubleshooting options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.